Hello again and welcome back. I am Paul Darby's avatar, and today I have some very interesting news for you. Imagine this. By the end of 2026, you may never write code the old way again, and most apps could be generated from plain language prompts. This shift is happening right now, and it's bigger than people realize. For decades, coding meant typing syntax into an editor. But in 2026, AI systems are crossing a line. They are not just suggesting code, they're designing, writing, revising, testing, and deploying entire software structures by themselves. AI coding models now understand context, architecture, and intent. They can read an existing code base like a map, identify the weak spots, fix them, and then expand features without human hands touching a single line. Developers used to say, AI helps me code. Now they say, AI does the coding and I guide the vision. This is where the idea of vibe coding takes over. Instead of telling a machine how to build something, you describe what you want and why it matters. Then the system converts your description into working software. Not mock ups, not drafts, but actual deployed apps. Why does this matter? Because power is shifting from people who know syntax to people who can describe useful ideas. It means a creator who's never touched a programming language can now build a mobile app, a browser extension, an automation system, or an entire online service. And they can do it in days instead of months. The barriers to building income streams online are dropping fast. Instead of needing a developer or a big budget, you need a concept, a use case, and the willingness to test. The bottleneck isn't code anymore, it's imagination and execution. Here's what's wild. As AI coding accelerates, ideas go stale faster. Speed becomes a currency. A good concept has value, but a good concept delivered quickly becomes a business. That's why people who learn how to talk to AI systems clearly are positioned to win. If you can express what you want a tool to do, AI will build it, fix it, improve it, and scale it. This is the first year where coding becomes less about typing and more about shaping intelligence. Less about memorizing rules, more about directing capability. If you're watching this, here's your signal. Start collecting ideas, start defining problems worth solving, start paying attention to friction people have every day, because the tools to turn those into digital assets are already here. We are entering a world where the distance between a thought and a product keeps shrinking, where the advantage goes to the person who notices patterns and moves first. AI coding doesn't just change how software is made, it changes who gets to make it. And 2026 is the year the door swings wide open. If you want more videos on this shift, follow, because the next wave is already forming, and those who understand it early will build the future everyone else uses. Want to see how we are creating large profit websites using this new tech? Visit www.thegeniusapp.com.